So we will talk about how to say how are you in Arabic. Maybe most of you know already the word kifak, which means how are you, or kif halak. And if you have learned the possessive suffixes, adding ak for you male, adding ik for you female, so you would know kifak for like you're talking to a male, kifik, you're talking to a female. Another way you would say like how are you or what's new is شو أخبارك. شو أخبارك. Basically the word أخبار means news. So شو أخبارك, like your news. What's new, you know? So it's also adding a suffix in the end, as you notice, شو أخبارك. So if I'm talking to a female, I'm going to say شو أخبارك. So that's another way we say like how are you? What's happening? Another way is شوفي ما في. شوفي ما في. This one basically means like similar to what's up in English. So شوفي like what's happening, ما في like it's just what's happening, like what's up, what's happening, you know? So شوفي ما في. Another way we would say how are you, we say شو عامل. So this one is if you're talking to a male, you say شو عامل. If it's a female, شو عاملة. So again, شو عامل. If it's a female, شو عاملة. So شو عامل or شو عاملة, it means like what are you doing? So basically like what are you doing these days, basically. So these are different ways we say how are you. I hope that helps. And make sure you check out the workbooks I have created. I'm very excited for them. And if you like my podcast, please press like. Thank you.